nigga, bitch. You're not saying nothing. You're not saying nothing. Exactly. We got on juice. Hush mode. Hush mode. Hush mode. That nigga hush mode. That nigga hush mode. That nigga hush mode. You hush mode, bitch. You hush mode. Ha ha ha. You hush mode, bitch. You got on juice. You a sister of bitch. Bitch. You got on juice. No jokes. What is he doing? I'm making his mic. Ah ha ha ha. I'm making him in the mic. Hey, hey. Number 15 foot in this dumbass nigga. Come on, bad bitch. Oh my god, that's all truth. Oh my god, ew, that should be on some mic. He's scared. Oh my god, he's scared, bro. He's scared, He's scared. He can't even talk back. He can't even talk back. He's scared. That should be on mic. You got me drunk, that nigga thinks he's real. Dumbass nigga. That was just my nigga thinks he's real. Dumbass nigga. Nigga. What are you doing? Bitch, you got on jokes, my nigga. All ass nigga. Bitch, you got on jokes. You got on jokes. Oh, that was fun. Oh, that was fun. Oh, that. Yo! Oh, you want some sets? Bet I got you.
Someone's joining.
Oh god, he got this
Someone's joining.
Oh god, oh we'll see a video. I got video too. I looked at this fake ass video that already debunked. Like, he talked all this shit but won't come on the VC. Like, I'm sick of this nigga, bro. And then he's done. Oh my god, I'm gonna see this with you. Oh my god, I'm sick of these niggas. Like, all they do is trying to eat them, but they want to go in the VC. Like, who the hell is Top Pot? What the fuck is a Top Pot? What the fuck is a Xeeko? These shitty ass Xeeko members, bro. God damn. Like, come with VC. I don't care. Like, you posting an old ass video of my face. Like, I got a different dress and all that. Like, bro, come to VC. God damn, man. Kick these shitty ass niggas, bro. Oh god, like, I'm about to beat this nigga named Xeeko, cause you pissing me the fuck off, bro. Like, oh god. I'm mad as hell. Oh god,
get loud again. Get loud again.
Oh, get loud again.
Get out.
A bit. Oh,
yeah. Get out. Get out. Get the cooking is it.
Oh no, they're not trying to bait. They're not trying to bait. I look to do that, I'm killing it.
Should I go 100?
Yeah.
Actually, no, I'm gonna go 6. I'm gonna go 500.
But
500 is pretty good.
I'm bad.
Not gonna lie.
I'm bad. My career
You
like.
think so?
Yeah.
How about 700?
I'm bad.
Now how about 900? How about 900?
Oh, that's pretty good.
900 DB?
Yeah.
Actually, no. That's impossible.
I'm bad. Like, they posting these old ass screenshots, my G. That screenshot. What's your name? What's your name?
I just turned it on.
Oh god. Well, yeah, somewhere. Yeah. Like, they're posting these old ass face clips and stuff. Like, bro. Like, bro, that's literally me wearing, bro. Oh god. They're saying I'm ugly, but I still pull holes though. So they can keep talking shit, bro. I still be putting.
Cold anyways. Why you so lost?
That's what I'm saying. And Patrick, why is Patrick talking shit like he did in this good hole? But me and you, why? Why, bro? Why do they do this? Why do they talk so much shit? I'm seeing my sets though. Good will. Don't need a Patrick ass, bro. Like, oh god, he a trash can, nigga. He a trash can. That nigga Patton. Who names himself Patton? Wait, what? How? That nigga troll.
Look at you, bro. Look at you. You going ball. Look at you.
Who is that? Who ugly ass bitch is that? Who wishes that? Who is that? That's his bitch? Oh god, get that nigga. My cool lad. Damn, we got baked on the VC again. Damn, they baked that nigga over the VC again. How is they scared? We unstoppable them, my nigga. They keep he left the VC. I was even jumping. I was just talking. Cause I ain't know who
Whoa, he only recording me removing him from the group chat.
Yeah.
Like, whoa.
On God, that's what I'm saying.
He recorded it.
On God, not the self-recording.
I removed him. And he sent a recording. Hold on, I'm gonna send it to you. Hold on. I'm gonna send it right now.
Oh, but.
Copy link. Alright, I'm sending it to the chat.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm trying to shit. I'm trying to send my sets. My PC lagging. Oh, but what sets do I got a busting set.
Bro, you can't.
Oh, there we go. Alright, I gave you some. I gave you 5 of my dead sets on that.
It's a random.
On that. Oh, he's an anthem. Oh, he got bait then. On that. That boy got bait.
No, that's not what I said. I said he's a random. Who is horror? Who is horror?
Oh god, they like, what is they doing, man?
Yo, who is this horror dude? Who is this horror guy?
That's a random.
Yeah, who is him? Who is horror?
Oh god, that's a random. I don't even know that dude. They had to keep posting trips of him leaving a group chat.
Okay, is he joining?
Oh god, he back there.
This guy. He said he gonna make it a YouTube video.
Oh, the nigga.
Imagine. And he just keeps leaving it.
Hold up, remove them real quick. I'ma add people. Remove them real quick. Keep packing them, bro. Keep packing them. We're gonna chat this nigga. Hold up. Let me get us Xeeko in here. Cause nigga, imagine a fake ass Lowe's lame. I'm dead.
Yes.
Lowe's
K.
Oh god, let's see. Nigga made a fake ass Lowe's lame. I'm dead.
He's garbage.
Oh god.
Just garbage.
So put it Mike down. I'ma add RPT. I'ma add RPT in here. Ooh. Shit.
Dang. Well, these settings are large.
Oh god.
Oh, yeah.
They're trying to bait for real. Ooh. And they suck. Ew, why do you play?
I'm not clear. For some reason. Alright. Hello?
Yeah.
Yo. What is that noise?
Wait, it's a noise?
Alright. Is it good now?
Yeah. Yeah.
I suggest pirates. I suggest start one more.
Oh god. Oh my god, that made Oxytran. Oh, never mind. Imagine if there's still Oxytran, I'm gonna be dead.
I got this.
God.
Okay, so I'm gonna start using this. When I do this one?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh god.
I'm gonna just use this. Yeah.
Man, start bacon this
Hey,
in
why
the
y'all kicking me? Why y'all kicking me?
Oh my nigga, get out my fucking A with that ugly ass voice, my G god damn before I bait your shit, nigga. Damn ass suitor.
Hey, Xeeko.
You hush mode.
Get out, son.
You get loud. You had an ego earlier, right? You had a big ass ego earlier. Yo, dude, you wanna pass him?
Hey, Xeeko, this dude look like a console trying to boy. You're going. Oh, let's start cooking this kid. Boy, you be starbucking your grandma with your left hand. Boy, you're not trying to be for real.
Yeah, he got hold of the game.
Imagine leaving? Imagine leaving? Imagine leaving?
Oh god. He left for good. Second time. Nigga left 2 times. I'm dead. Let me do that, bitch.
Twice.
Oh god, twice too.
Twice in a row.
Oh god, twice in a row, man. Like that's embarrassing. Like he keeps spamming.
He's sending yourself.
Oh god,
He's sending your pic.
Oh god, but he won't join the
chat.
VC. He won't join the VC though. He finna keep spamming my face, but won't join the VC. That's crazy. Like you keep spamming my face, but you won't join the VC. Crazy, bro. And that pic is so old.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Honestly, bro, it's just weird.
Oh god. Like I'm not even ugly, man. Like I still be pulling hoes. But this nigga Xeeko trying to eagle me, posting my face.
Huh?
This dude,
You said what?
This dude, Xeeko. He keeps joining the VC. Then when we tell him, he wanna whine and complain.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He just keep losing.
Oh god. He tells him, they keep trying to jump.
Imagine leaving.
Oh god.
Couldn't be me though.
Oh god. Like if you like come in the VC with an Xeeko,
Couldn't
he
be me.
gonna jump you. The fuck? Like he think we're not gonna jump him? Like you come with an Xeeko and shit. Like wait, they don't got no profile pictures. How to have a profile vote with no profile pictures, bro? How that don't make sense. Oh god.
Hold up, I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna add this right here.
Oh yeah, that shit good. Leave that. That shit good.
That's not that loud. This? This ain't that good. I'm breaking my mic. It's breaking my mic. Yeah, I'm not using that. It's breaking my mic. I'm gonna add these. See how this is. Nope. That's garbage.
Ooh. That's what I'm sick of them. They always talk shit but won't join the VC.
Let me see.
That's funny to me. How would they talk all this shit but won't join the VC?
I don't even read enough, for real.
That's what I'm saying. I'm about to bait him with a
One Pierce. Yeti 1. Credo 2. What is Credo 2? Oh. That's the same one, so I'm not using that though. Let me see. Hold on, my phone just died. I'm turning it back on though. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna turn my stuff off. Yeah, my stuff just died.
Oh shit. Like they're talking all this shit but won't join. Crazy. They talk all this shit but won't join. Wait, what profile pictures do they have? Oh, they got good, decent profile pictures. Does he keep talking all this shit but won't join the VC? Like, especially this nigga Xeeko. You know he's gonna go hold by me again. That's why he not joining.
Also, screen share so I can get those settings that you sent, or that you was using when you was packing Xeeko.
Oh, bet.
Screen share real quick. I can't hear you though.
Oh, bet. Oh, you can't hear me. Why the fuck is messaging music in my ear? I'm a screen share. Oh, I tried to send in the sets, but my fucking PC being so I do though. Yeah, they got hold. Oh baby, they got hold for real. They're not trying to bait for real.
Man, Chop, you ugly as hell.
Alright, transition to the next. Xeeko. Hold up.
Yeshua, look at your face for that, boy.
I still pee hoes. I still poo hoes. But
Your mic is cutting. Oh, you're gonna cry. When?
I still my phone is and my mic cutting out. Why is my mic cutting out? Oh, why is my mic cutting out?
Look at you. You're ugly as shit. No wonder why your granny boy, you ugly as shit. Look at you.
Oh, but are you ready to bitch? Bitch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you hush mode. Oh yeah. You hush mode. You hush mode now, bitch. Yeah. Don't leave now. Your mic turn up. Your mic turn up. Your mic turn up.
This fucking suck, bitch.
Yeah, put that nigga on hush mode. Yeah, put that nigga on hush mode. Put that nigga on hush mode. Hey. I put that nigga on hush mode.
Well, why is he here?
On that.
Yo.
Yeah. Like you posting my old face like that's doing something that's not doing nothing, bro. Like so many people has that picture. Even KJ has my face pic, bro. Like you think
Alright.
You still ugly as hell.
and
Yo,
I'm still
Xeeko, you're a dog. Upper
oh god, like
sus.
you dog shit, bro.
Son.
Like you fucking ass.
Where you going? Yo, Xeeko, upper sus. Nigga, not trying to.
On God, and he baking your shit too.
You're a dog. You're not fucking like hello.
On God,
Hello. Record this. 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 Yo, he left. He left. Imagine. I'm gonna see my wife here. Bro, he's a dog. He's talking about that's my lady. Talking about some business stereo. He's dog. And he not trying to pay. About to hold you in front of your nigga. Bro, what? And make Yeshua. He's dog. Yo, you there? Yo, Yeshua. Okay. Yo, hello? You there? You there? Are you there? Yo, yo.
Yo.
Yo. Hold on. Do you know this guy named Ghost?
Nah,
Do you know this guy named Ghost?
nah, who that nigga?
Do you know this guy named Ghost?
No.
Huh?
Nah, I
He
don't
said
know
he
that dude.
pat you.
Oh, wait,
He said he pat
what?
you.
He pat me?
He said he pat you.
Oh, I don't know that nigga. He a random. I don't know that dude. I never met him.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, God.
He said you're a sped. He said you're a sped.
Where he at?
Hold on, I'm gonna tell him that. Hold on. I'm at him right now.
I bet. Bro, Mike, dude, he can't kick you from
He's a
Usher because
random.
I own Usher. And you're not getting kicked from Usher because I own Usher. He's OG Usher, but I ain't kicking you. I'm kicking him. Tell Mike that he kicked from
Yeah.
Usher. Tell him he's kicked from Usher. Yeah, tell Mike
Alright.
that yeah, that nigga
I'm
Mike
gonna ask him what he go by.
Bet.
I'm gonna ask him what he go by.
I bet. Yeah, he must be my old name or something. Cause I don't.
So random, bro. He said you fear him. Hold up, he said you fear him.
On that. But nah, I don't know that dude. What he said? On that. But nah, I don't know. Well, I can't hear you. Why you mad?
He saw you so much.
On that.
He had me show group shot. He had me show group shot.
Oh, at me.
I'm gonna invite you. Hold on.
Bet. I'm gonna bake him.
Alright, bet.
This is black and white profile picture. Oh, he better go hoe. He better go hoe just like
Join the
that.
car. Join the car.
Bet. Oh, bet. Cause I wanna oh my god. Oh, I know that dude. Yeah, I know. Oh, that's last. I know that dude. Yeah, I know that dude. Oh, I might say who was Ghost. Oh, I remember you. None of them. Whoa! None of them.
Tell him to join. Tell him to join. Yo, which dude is this? Sound Packer? Yeah. He's a sound bro. He's a sound Packer. Imagine. He's a sound Packer. Talking about some self record. Imagine. Imagine. Dude is so random. Years. He just added you. Yo. Alright. Yo, hello? Alright. Hello.
I'm back. What the fuck?
Yo, Ray, nails. Turn on your mic, bro. What are you doing? Turn on your mic. Turn on your mic. What are you doing? What are you doing? Bro, get low. Get low. Record.
No, record it. He left. I'm dead. Oh, I would add for these hits, but he unadded me. Yeah, I'm lagging. Oh, you said SRL? Oh, SRK? SRK? SRK?
And they sealed up in my one.
Yeah. Oh.
Yes, they're ducking.
Oh god.
They're ducking my one.
Since I changed my name.
Some of some keep. The phaser.
Oh god. I'm dead. It's crazy out here. Oh shit. Oh damn. It's crazy out here, man.
Talking about he's gonna attack. What's up?
You ready?
I should have screamed, but I can't. I want to scream so bad, but I can't.
I feel you, man. But then I ain't letting them jump you though. Like, yeah, man, now jumping shit we're not gonna do. Cause I'm gonna jump in. If they try to jump you, I'm gonna tap in. I mean, I can pat though, but if they try to jump, I'm gonna come in. Cause they're not jumping you. I mean, y'all can pat, but they're not jumping. And they're not passing either.
Bro, out of everyone.
Oh my god.
You're garbage.
I'm so scared. Oh my god. Hey, did you see a video of last? Did you see a video of last?
Son?
I've asked to do the video of last.
What is he doing?
Last pass one to
He ain't like that for real. Yo, Jalen, you not like that for real.
Do I know Jaden? Do I know
Son?
Jaden? I think I know him. YY. Who's YY?
Yeah, he's my son.
Oh god.
He not getting low.
Who's YY? Was it my name? YY. Who is YY again? Who is YY? Who is YY?
Jalen, why you ducking me? Why you ducking me? Jalen,
I'm trying to bait.
Jalen, get out.
I'm trying to bait.
Get off mute. Get off mute. Get off mute. Get off mute. Get off mute, Jalen. Get off mute. Get off mute. I'm trying to bait. I'm trying to bait. I'm trying to bait. It's not doing me well. What is it doing? Alright, get out then. Up your settings. What are you talking about? I thought social ain't doing me well. Get out then.
But I'm not gonna use that.
Get out then.
I'm not gonna use that.
What are you doing?
I need this hard flash right too. I'm not gonna use that.
You're not getting out.
Oh god. I'm not gonna.
Get loud.
Hey, you need some hot flash with you?
I'll back on Discord.
Oh god. I got hot flash
But
with
yeah,
you.
you're still mute.
Hey.
Yeah, you're still mute.
Oh god, man.
You're mute.
Please, 99 please.
Alright, who is this? 99 Shenanigans do 15 bro, what?
God, they ain't trying to bait. They ain't trying to bait.
Alright, get off mute. Get off mute. Get off mute. Get off mute. Get off mute, bro. Get off mute, bro. Come on, bro. Get off mute. Bro, listen to your mom, bro. Listen to your mom.
They hush mode.
No, you change it. Whatever your name is, you gonna get out or no? But every person in this chat, bro, what is he talking about? Alright, bet, watch this. Let him try to fight. Nigga, shut your big ass the fuck.